Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about ceiling. For that I am going here ceiling option. Ceiling, here we have two methods. One is automatic ceiling and one more is sketch ceiling. I explain first one is automatic ceiling. Go to ceiling level 1. Here zoom it. Select the ceiling option. First one is automatic ceiling. Just I filled the automatic ceiling. And one more thing, here 8 feet 6 inch something is there, height of offset from ground. Just I'll give the 9 feet 6 inches. Apply. Then go to 3D view. Now press escape. Select the front view. Just hide at that. Finish. Select the front view, go here, hide and isolate option. Here I just go to hide the object. See, our ceiling will be created here. This is our ceiling, that is in 9 feet 6 inch. Nine feet 6 inches from the ground to base offset. Apply. See, now it's attached to the roof. For example, I think a little more we need to increase. Just I'll give you 10 feet. Apply. See, now it's attached. Okay, now first ceiling is ready. For example, one more designs you need, or else I just select this ceiling. Go to ceiling level 1. Again select the ceiling. Here we have sketch ceiling option. Select the sketch ceiling, that is 9 feet 6 inches is okay for me. And then here I make the some design. Offset. This is also not allowed the overlap and unjoining. Then give finish. Then go to 3D view. Just you can watch. Wait, I'll hide this also. This one. Go to hide. I think this is all. I think now you got it. See, our ceiling is here. Okay, now wait, I'll show you 3D view. Select, go into realistic view. See, now two ceilings created. One is, I think little bit it can down means it's better. Just I'll go for the 9 feet 2 inches. Apply. Oh God. 9 feet 8 inches. Apply. Like this we need to change. Okay, now two designs are done. One more designs you need means, again go to ceiling level 1. Select the ceiling option. Go to architecture, ceiling, sketch ceiling. Whatever designs you can make. Circle, for example, I'll make this corners. Then press escape, select this, copy, click at the middle point and just a little bit zoom out. You can place it over here one, copy, just activate the multiple numbers, click the base point, move over here and one more here. Okay na, then you can give finish. After that go to 3D view, you just check it. See, four corners will be created. I think now you got it how to create the ceiling interiors. Again, that's it. Now I'm going to place some ceiling lights here. For that I'm going to ceiling level 1, go to CM, component shortcut CM. So that's what CM. Load family. Here lightings, architectural lightings. I downloaded it. If you need means you can check it, Revit City website, internal. Here like I'm going to fix the ceiling light. Select open. Then I'll place one here and one more here and one more here and one here and one here. Then go to 3D view. See, our lights is placed down here. This is the procedure to create these ceilings. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.